Good, beautiful evening, everyone. It is another glorious day. We are out here at the water meter doing some digging so that our plumber can hook on to the old existing water line without having to run a new one up into the meter. We can just splice onto this one. I am digging in front. Right here is where we discovered the old water line with the trencher, so that could be damaged. So I'm digging up here where the trencher did not hit it, and we can easily splice onto that. I gotta have a hole big enough for the plumber to get down into. And I cut my index finger while using the bandsaw today. I had wrapped it in a paper towel, but doing all of this shoveling caused it to open back up. It's a pretty deep cut. I don't need stitches though. So that's what happened here. No big deal. We're gonna keep working. Had to get this medieval looking thing here. I believe this is a log pick. It's for grabbing logs and pulling them up. I think it'll work for a pickaxe. I didn't want a actual pickaxe because I think it's too large and unwieldy for this little job. So let's get to it. After about an hour of trying to find the water line, I relented and went and got my dad's mini excavator. I tell you what, digging holes is hard work. I hit the clay and it just wiped me out. So the plan is to dig this hole out larger so that I can then get down in there and dig around the hose, because I was having to dig down, get enough room to turn the shovel, take out scoops, and I would have literally had to move about a 4-foot diameter by hand in order to get low enough to actually dig down to the water line. We're going to use the mechanical advantage. Let's get started. That's a water line. We found it. I'm gonna dig out around it a little bit, and then it is up to the plumber to get the new one put in. And there we go. You should be able to lop that off, cram his fitting in there, put a couple of hose clamps on it, and then head that way with the water line. I'm going to put a pallet over this hole and try to block it off with some other stuff. He's gonna be coming next week. It's Saturday today, so hopefully Monday or Tuesday. And here you go, you've made it to the end of the video. If you got this far, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment if you like. It stimulates the algorithm. That's all I have for you today. Goodbye.